Wellington, New Zealand de Sorotis said on Friday that a convicted secret liquor Chelsea Manning can enter the country for a speaking tour, a day after tour organizers said she couldn't enter Australia. Manning was convicted and sentenced to 35 years in prison for leaking US government secrets and would not normally qualify for entry into New Zealand under its good character provisions. But Immigration New Zealand General Manager Steve Stewart said Manning had been granted special direction, allowing her to apply for a working visa for planned speaking events in Auckland and Wellington next month. Stewart said the agency noted that Manning's sentence had been commuted by President Barack Obama in 2017, that she had not reoffended since being released. And that the chances of offending while in New Zealand were low. New Zealand's Conservative Opposition National Party had urged the government to ban Manning, saying Europeans would not enhance New Zealand's relationship with the US. Australia's similar good character rules to New Zealand. Manning tour was due to start in Sydney on Sunday, but on Thursday event organizer Think Incorporated said it had received notice of intention from the Australian government to deny Manning entry. The group was calling on her supporters to lobby new Immigration Minister David Coleman to allow into Australia. While Manning can appeal, past precedent suggests the decision has already been made. Think Incorporated said it had given the government letters of support from individuals and organizations who support Manning's entry to Australia. Ms. Manning offers formidable ideas and an insightful perspective which we are hoping to bring to the forefront of Australian dialogue, Think Incorporated Director Susie Jamil said in a statement. Manning, 30, acknowledged leaking more than 700,000 military and State Department documents to anti-secrecy site WikiLeaks in 2010. Known as Bradley Manning at the time of her arrest, she came out as a transgender after her 2013 court-martial. She recently lost a Democratic primary in a long shot bid for a U.S. Senate seat in Maryland. Under its good character rules, New Zealand typically denies entry to people who have been sentenced to 5 years or more in prison at any time in their lives, or who have been sentenced to 12 months or more in prison at some point during the last 10 years. Associated Press reporter Rad Muger in Canberra, Australia, contributed to this report.